it's so windy, the siding is blowing right off the house. And there's nothing I can do for it because I put it somewhere it's just gonna blow away. So I don't know, I'm getting super frustrated. I can't imagine what Brad's feeling. So there it is, -9, feels like -19 Celsius, and he's gonna have to get down there and clog that up. He's thawing the parts out right now. I can't believe he took the valve and thawed it out. It was missing the rubber ring, and he came down here again and the rubber ring was sitting right there beside it. So that's lucky. This is not going to be a fun job here. Oh, Brad.
It's a lot of water pressure too.
Yeah. Gonna get some good showers in this place. Oh,
Dude,
he's got it on, so it.
Oh. Good and tight.
I'm wrong.
There you
Yep,
go.
good and tight. Set that up again.
Oh, Brad, this is awful.
This is way better than last time.
Oh, I can imagine. It had to be.
Oh, okay.
Look at that.
10 times better.
Not even leaking around there.
Huh?
Not leaking nothing around there. Good.
Oh, solid.
Good job. Brad's putting together this last wall. There's 2 pieces to it, is there?
This is just the scrap stuff. This is the one
Oh,
for the finished
okay.
piece.
So
This
this
is our
wall
scrap
behind
wood
him.
that we're gonna do as a temporary.
This one behind him is going to go be the last one on the side pony wall. But the front garage, I'll show you. So this is the side of the garage here, the 4-foot pony wall. That one piece is going to go there. This front wall, the whole thing needs to be replaced because we're going to reconfigure and put 2 doors in instead of 1. So they're going to do a temporary wall here. And they're going to use the materials from the basement, scrap materials. So we're pulling these 2x4s off. They do have like a tack con in them. That's what they're grinding off. They go all the way around. So we're pulling these off so that we can use them for the temporary, here's some of them here, to make temporary walls. So it costs us nothing. That's a good thing, huh?
Yeah.
So this is one of the temporary ones here. Okay, cool.
Here we go. Got Trent driving the machine down there, and these boys bringing us up our last chunk of main wall.
Here we go again. The last one on this wall. Today's cold. This might be the coldest day we've had, huh? Tonight is going to feel like -26 degrees Celsius.
Hopefully you got clear.
It's freezing.
I wanted to jack that corner.
These ones are only going to be the temporary ones.
Oh, fuck, Brad. You got a bunch of electrical wire in here, dude. Open down the hole.
Push it down.
Nathan's going to start letting it down now. It's not going to be too dramatic here. We're going to keep going here. It's coming. up some more. Gosh.
Well, all the boys have left. We got these walls all stripped in the basement. It's like super cold out. I am going to put another heater underneath the camper. We're losing hot water right now for some reason, and yeah, it's gonna be a cold night.
Today's job, I hope, is just a little job.
Yeah,
We have this block wall
kind of
that,
knocked in a little
yeah, and
bit,
I don't
but
know when. We've done so much work
Yeah.
around here,
we were
and
digging some dirt. And it kinda
yeah,
got bumped,
but we're thinking this is a great time to fix it. So it's bumped out. I don't know if you can see it very good.
kind of see it's not squaring off of my fingers.
Yeah.
So we gotta push that out to kind of match this up.
Okay. So this is the plan. 6-foot I-beam on this side. A 6-foot I-beam on this side. And then we've got these pillars with a jack on the end. It looks like you're gonna do 2 of them.
2 at a time, yeah. And that'll push that out.
We're gonna give it a little gentle persuasion. You can see it's,
this beam's got a rock to it.
I don't know if you can see it's bowed out a bit there. So I'm really hoping this is just gonna be an easy job. This basement has some other spots. Here's a pressure area here with cracks. On the other side is dirt and a basement. So I think what Brad's decided is he's going to support all these walls with metal. I'm not sure what kind of metal, but it will support. We'll put strips of them. Is that what you think? Like strips of metal that'll go around?
We're gonna bolt beams up and down. Like we watched a YouTube tutorial. That's what we
Yeah,
watched.
yeah, but it's not going to be I-beams. It's going to be
Square stock.
square stock. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the jacks are going to work on their side. That was a question we had. Would the jacks work on their side? We're getting some pressure on the 2x4s. Okay. Well, we're still good here. Oh, stop. Solution, more tack-ons to this 2x4 here.
Yeah, put 2 behind each set of blocks.
He drills through the wood, the concrete with a hammer or drill.
Yep. And then just use
Then he's got this other drill has a different attachment to put on these.
tap con. Yeah, just so it fits to the head. It's just in
Yeah, and they're heavier dutier. Heavy duty
heavy duty.
goes right into the concrete.
Should be losing this gap here is what should start happening.
You're pushing.
Is it pushing?
So we're doing it with just a hammer and a board here, and they are the push. This must have been where it got hit because there's some cracks and stuff. So we've just been hitting it, and the cracks are getting tighter again. So we're actually straightening this up just with a hammer and a board. Here we
Okay.
go. Watch that crack's gonna get smaller.
Yep. Ooh. Sure did.
Just like that.
So now up here, right in there.
What the heck? Guess I got some snow removal happening outside the trailer. Yeah, we're getting some snow. It's a little bit warmer. Wow. I looked out the trailer and I saw the skid steer.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Snow removal.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yep.
What do you think, Leah?
Lou.
Look at this. I have a couple of visitors here. I don't usually get this close to the swans. It's like maybe somebody was feeding them. They're coming right up to me like they're looking for something to eat. Hi guys. Oh, I'm enjoying this.
So
We are working on disassembly.
yes, we've cut 2 of the 15-footers across. This whole thing was all the big frame.
Yeah, we can hear
See,
the
there's
propane
stuff
heater.
here we cut off,
Oh yeah.
and we got one more to cut.
Okay.
But before we do that, we're kind of reframing and making things a little more stable. We're
Okay.
gonna drag this 24-foot beam out that way.
That's the way it came in.
Yeah.
There's a hole in the wall.
We're making making things stable so that we can drag it that way. And then this side here, same thing. We are going to make these structures better. We're going to turn them, add more of these structural supports here, and get it set up so that we can drag this one out that window.
Out that window. Hopefully it'll be easier going out than coming in.
Should be. Like, things are coming apart pretty good.
I'm on snack patrol. This disassembly of the beams is very exciting. This area here, the open water, this is our 5th winter here, and it stays open because way down there, see if I can get a close up. I don't know how far I can go. What I'm looking for is yellow railings there. Yeah, that's as far as I can go. But there is a plant and it lets out some warm water. So the warm water goes down along here and around. And it stays open. And we get a lot of the waterfowl coming in to visit because of that. It stays open. They got a bit of protection. It continues on here. Right now there's geese and ducks and swans. They're hard to see with the camera. But now there's a dozen swans down there. There was 4 swans that just flew by. I can hear them better than I can see them on the ice. And the geese. I'm not sure if these are Canadian geese or cackling geese. A lot of them may be cackling geese, which have a little bit shorter neck. It's getting dark and they're still working in there. They're still at it. They still hope to get that beam out of here tonight. I don't know about that. Oh, I don't know about that. We are outside and there's that hole that we put the beams through. And now these guys are going to get the beam out. There it is. With the skids.
Catch it with skid steer.
Okay, I'll go inside. You guys are going to put this beam out that...
Yes, that's what we're doing.
Out that hole in the... You're just going to push it? Oh my God.
Ready?
Oh, careful.
We're jammed. Things flexing.
Got a whammer jammer. Oh, you're tipping. I don't like this.
That's fine. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay. Yeah, it's...
We're starting our little jack post there, and it's starting to bend a little bit. Like it's flimsy. It's flexing. Yeah, agreed.
So when you mix it up on that,
Yep.
hopefully it doesn't become too hot. Yeah, that's good.
That's good. Back up.
It's gonna drop.
Oh, it's going to drop there now, guys.
Off this one.
Okay.
Okay, he's got it.
Yeah, go ahead.
So Brad's going to pull some more with the skid steer. Oh,
Oh, it slid off.
yeah, it's... Okay, there.
Okay, perfect.
Brad's gonna get back in the machine, give a pull. The guys are gonna help it along inside. Better there. So they're just lifting it up enough that it doesn't put pressure on that structure, and Brad's pulling on the other side. And this is the 24-foot beam. It had 15-foot crossbars on it, 3 of them attached to it, which they've unhooked.
Okay. Hold up, Brad. Now he needs to. Yeah, the only thing we're on is the concrete wall here. Woo! It'll yeah. Yeah. So
A little distraction there.
Bring it back.
So yeah.
Bring it back like that, and I think we'll be good. I will try and yell at you before it slams past this. Okay.
Okay. Back far enough to.
Julie,
there we go.
She's in here. She's filming.
Oh. Well, there, that's slick.
Okay, whoa!
Oh. If I had forever and a day, I still don't think I'd get that dirt moved.
It's that frozen.
Oh, it's, yeah, brutal. That little skid steer is giving it all it's got. It just can't get through the frozen dirt.
But it warmed up.
Yeah, warmed up to -10 out there. It's bright
Celsius.
sunshine.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, I don't think we're getting through it with that machine.
So he's looking at these piles of dirt out here. We've got a garbage bin out there that's full. We got to get it out, and we've got to start getting ready for the crane to come and to lift, but we're frozen in. Brad is not wanting to give up on moving this pile of dirt.
Forever and a day.
Yeah.
But I caught a couple of chunks on the corners and I was digging in, and now I've gotten opened up some that's not frozen. I'm gonna try for a little longer, but
yeah.
just refuel the little machine here and see how it goes.
Yeah. So he's just gonna see. He's put some dirt in there. He's gonna pile it up there. He's not putting it against the basement. We're keeping it away from the basement. We're tucking it in there so that underneath all this dirt is asphalt. And that's where the crane needs to go.
Yeah, we need a spot for the crane, and we got to get rid of that bucket. It's a 25-yard
The bin is on the other side, yeah.
25-yard bin.
And also the utilities are all going to have to go in this spot.
Yeah,
so
we have
that'll.
a gas guy here today, sorting things out.
Yeah.
Never ends.
Here, I'll show you where the bin is. The bin got tucked in behind the dirt over here, and it's totally full. And they can't get into it to pick it up. Well, let's see if he's able to get any dirt. Because it is cold! Minus 11 degrees Celsius. Oh, he's getting in there. I better get out of his way. So as it turns out, there's more than one cat that we've been feeding. And this is the first time I've seen it, and can you see it? It's gone out for a drink. Where is it? Right there. That's what Brad said. It's a big fluffy cat. Its tracks have been coming down through here and across the creek and over underneath the roots over there. There's like little cavern areas, I know, because Leia goes in there. But the cat's found it. Wish it would go under the trailer because there's a heater there. Brad is a digging. More like chipping, I would say, than digging. These are the stairs from the basement.
Yep, you can Put them in the garage.
You measured them up and you're cutting them. And we're going to put them in the garage so that we don't have to use the ladder. This is the spot that we're talking about now that we've raised the roof 2 feet. It raises the door 2 feet. Yeah. Well, we raised the roof 4 feet. We raised the door 2 feet. So now we got to have a way to get in and out. Okay, a set of stairs.
Just like that.
That will be better. 6 steps up, so there'll always need 6 steps in here. We'll reconfigure it though. It's not. We're not going to be using this door when it's all done.
Yeah, that's pretty solid. Feels good.
Good. Well, that is much better. So here's the thing. This tarp is here, but on the other side of the tarp, oh, it's got caught, is just the hole into the basement, right? So it's a little scary coming up here. Like the concrete's cut here. So, woo! So that's much better. That makes me feel better. Thank you, Brad. Here you can see 2 sets of paw prints. And they've merged. So one goes under the trees over there. One goes under the trees over there. And it looks like a meeting there. I hope that doesn't mean they were making kittens there. It's a little cold. I don't think that's a really great spot for that kind of thing, but there is 2 cats, I think. It's move-in day for Trent and Taylor. We are going to pick up a load to go to the house, and they'll be getting the key very shortly. And I'm very excited for them to get in their new house and for us to go and have a look at their brand new house tour. All right, we're in Trent and Taylor's new house finally. It's been a full day, right? Let's have a little tour here. Look at this. Oh, I love this arch thing you got here into the living room. Oh, this is lovely. Look at the size of it. I love the floor. Beautiful neighborhood. Look at the light in the front entrance. That's beautiful.
Sorry, we're in your way now.
You're good. Look at the lights. This window is really nice. Puts light in here between the houses. That is a nice touch. And these lights here. Oh, I love that. So this is a walnut, is what Taylor said she picked out. And that is just lovely with the floors. Look at this. Beautiful white cupboards. Nice.
Yeah.
Lots of storage.
Awesome.
It's really nice. Taylor did a beautiful job. Nice backyard.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Wow, look at there.
You guys want your plants that were outside?
Oh.
We'll bring them right up here. The ones that were in
Oh, look at this bathroom. Pretty light. The cabinets. I love the wood with the counter and the floor. Oh, and it's like a Jack and Jill's, so this would be the bedroom. Love it. Closet. Oh, 2 closets in here. Look at there. His and hers. Very nice. Very nice. This must be a nice linen closet. Perfect size linen closet. Another bedroom. Beautiful. The movers are rolling out the red carpet. Awesome. Awesome.